Hi everybody, thanks for watching. Today I'm going to talk about these IKEA 365 Plus products. These are their Cork coasters. They're 3.5 inches wide, and the 2-pack is going to set you back a total of $2.79, and that is as of September 2023. These are simple, they do their job well, and they're affordable. So all three of those things make it a win in my book. Like so many IKEA products, simplicity is attractive, and these work for what they're designed to do. They protect your countertop, they protect your wood, and they hold a variety of sizes. They can even be used as a candle holder to keep the heat off your surface. The Cork is lightweight. These are specifically designed to fit everything in the 365 Plus catalog very well, and they do that. So every time I'm at IKEA, because they are Cork, they don't have an incredibly long life, we'll pick up 1 or 2 packs of these and we'll have them around the house. The IKEA 365 Plus Cork coasters. Model number on this is 502-829-45. If you want to learn more about these, I'll stick a link to the IKEA site in the description below, and if I can find them on Amazon, I'll do the same thing. Thanks for watching.